Roughly 2 out of every 3 cars bought from a dealership in Canada is a used car. As the average purchase price for new cars ticks a little higher every year, pre-owned vehicles look more and more appealing to the pocketbook. You don't have to spend outrageous amounts of money to own a quality used car. A used car under $10,000 is an affordable entry point if you choose wisely. Since it's unlikely that you'll still have a factory warranty in effect, check out extended warranty options. Selecting an option with a reputation for longevity and safety should be your priority. And hey, decent fuel economy would be a bonus. Whether it's for your primary vehicle, a second family car, or a low-cost transportation option for a teenager or student, these are our choices for the best used vehicles under $10,000. 2013 Honda Civic Sedan. The most popular passenger car sold in 2013 was the Honda Civic, so there are typically quite a few available on the market. It was a year that the Civic had a significant refresh with sportier looks and improvements to the interior. The base 1.8 liters engine offered a choice of either manual or automatic transmission, a factor that makes it attractive to drivers both young and old. The Honda Civic was an Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, Top Safety Pick Plus, and J.D. Power gave it a reliability score of 86/100. Find plenty of 2013 Honda Civic sedan models listed for around $9,000. 2014 Toyota Yaris. Available in your choice of subcompact sedan or hatchback, the Toyota Yaris is known for being among the best when it comes to the cost of ownership. Amid the most Spartan models at the entry level, the Yaris keeps its systems simple but very dependable. It also provides commuters with more than enough pep with its 105 horsepower 1.5 liters engine. For 2014, the Toyota Yaris hatchback didn't quite achieve top safety pick status, but it came close. J.D. Power Consumer Ratings gave it an overall score of 78/100. 2015 Chevrolet Spark. If you've seen a subcompact hatchback in a flashy color, it's probably a Chevrolet Spark. Built for the commuter or fuel-conscious buyer, it's a surprisingly well-equipped vehicle with available MyLink infotainment system, Wi-Fi hotspot, and fun splashes of attitude inside. Its 1.2 liters Ecotec engine isn't winning any races with just 84 horsepower, but it's perfect for light-to-light starts and stops. The 2015 Chevy Spark is IM's top safety pick, while J.D. Power notes that the Spark is the top-rated hatchback in its class for the year. Snag a mid-level trim 2015 Spark LT for just under $9,000. 2013 Nissan Leaf. Can you get an electric car for under $10,000? The 2013 Nissan Leaf all-electric model boasts a funky design and standard features that include automatic temperature control, push-button start, power windows and locks, and an onboard charger, but its most noteworthy details are its 24 kilowatt-hour battery and 80 kilowatts electric motor. With IM's top safety pick award to boot, the 2013 Leaf can surprisingly be found in the range between $9,000 and $10,000. 2013 Kia Forte. The Kia Forte is a compact car with an interior that feels much larger. Its style is targeted towards a younger market, although young at hearts enjoy it too. The standard 2.0 liters engine in the LX trim is plenty of fun to drive whether you choose the manual or 6-speed Sportmatic transmission. The 2013 Forte earns its top safety pick designation handily as it is part of the new era of Kia models that are exceptionally reliable, confirmed by J.D. Power Consumer Ratings, 84/100. There are plenty of 2013 Kia Forte models on the market with deals possible in the $7,500, $8,500 range. 2010 Honda Creek V. If you're looking for an SUV, the 2010 Honda CR-V comes in both AWD and FWD, but you may have to settle for the latter to keep it under the $10,000 ceiling. You'll still get the standard power options, a well-demeanored 4-wheel independent suspension, and a solid 2.4 liters 4-cylinder engine with 180 horsepower. Aside from 4-star rollover crash ratings, the 2010 CR-V achieved 5-star safety ratings from the NHTSA. Based on feedback from owners, the J.D. Power Consumer Ratings score of 87 out of 100 reflects impressive reliability. At around $9,250, you should find plenty of options for 2010 Honda CR-V FWD models on the market. 2013 Hyundai Elantra. The 5th generation Hyundai Elantra offered 2 new body styles, the GT hatchback and coupe, in addition to the standard sedan we've chosen here. Boasting a 148 horsepower 1.8 liters engine, this entry-priced model offered fantastic value with plenty of standard comforts like AC, telescopic steering wheel, and cruise control to name a few. The ELANTRA received the 2013 Top Safety Pick Plus designation and held its own with quality and reliability scores from J.D. Power of 77 out of 100. Get the base GL trim for a bargain, at under $7,000 for diligent shoppers. 2013 Chevrolet TRAX. When choosing between the Cruze sedan and its TRAX Cuff sibling, most buyers will find the TRAX a more appealing option. Its higher seating position and higher passenger capacity make it the natural choice. Standard features on the LT trim include AC, alloy wheels, steering wheel audio controls, and a spirited 1.4 liters turbocharged engine. J.D. Power reliability ratings of 85 out of 100 points and its top safety pick rating make it a dependable and safe option too. 2012 Toyota Corolla. Quite literally the standard that dependability is set by. We'd be remiss if the Corolla didn't make the list. Heralded as an affordable option for students, commuters, and families alike, all trim levels in 2012 have power windows, door locks, and keyless entry, while upper trims feature Bluetooth connectivity, alloy wheels, and steering wheel audio controls. The 1.8 liters engine is more than adequate for most drivers, and safety comes standard with its top safety pick rating. The 88 out of 100 score on the J.D. Power Consumer Rating Reliability Index seals it. The Corolla must at least make it onto your shortlist. 2011 Ford Escape. If a little more capability is what you want, the 2011 Ford Escape SUV may even exceed your expectations. For under $10,000 you can own an Escape XLT 4WD, which includes a 171 horsepower 2.5 liters engine, optional sync communications and entertainment system, heated seats, and moonroof, not to mention all-wheel drive. Fuel efficiency isn't fantastic, but the Ford Escape is the only option on our list with 4WD/AWD under $10,000. Like most SUVs of its era, the 2011 Escape missed its top safety pick status due to marginal roof strength ratings, but it's well equipped with airbags and other safety features. At 81 out of 100, J.D. Power's reliability ratings say you can depend on the Ford Escape. 2014 Ford Focus SE. Just before the turn of the millennium, Ford decided to focus on unifying its varying country-specific models around the world by way of the Focus, hence the name. In the United States, the Focus replaced the Escort as the brand's poster child compact car in 1999, a year after it was released in Europe. The car had a good 2-decade run, thanks to its fuel efficiency and accessible price point, but Ford officially discontinued the Focus in 2018, a move that came as part of the company's effort to refocus its vision on trucks, crossovers and full-size SUVs. Nevertheless, plenty of used Focus S and SE models can still be found for sale in the range of $8,000 to $10,000. If you enjoyed this video, kindly press the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe with notifications on, so that you don't miss out on videos like this. Thank you for watching.